Hello dear viewers, welcome to the next 24 hours weather forecast from Tanzania Meteorological Authority. My name is Desderi Moses. From the windy patterns analysis, light windy is expected over Lake Victoria and Lake Tanganyika. Over the entire coastal strip of the Indian Ocean, the wind is expected to flow at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour, as well as over Lake Nyasa. And the state of the sea is expected to be rough. Due to this situation, Tanzania Meteorological Authority has issued an advisory of short periods of strong winds reaching 40 kilometers per hour and large waves reaching 2 meters along the entire coastal regions of the Indian Ocean, which are Tanga, Dar es Salaam, Unguja and Pemba ISOs, Pwani region including Mafia ISOs, together with the Lindi and Mtwara regions. This advisory is also expected to be featured over Ruvuma, Njombe and Mbeya regions along Lake Nyasa. Residents from these areas are advised to take all necessary precautions. Rainfall models are showing persistence of rainfall signals over some few areas along our country, especially over Lake Victoria Basin, where Tanzania Meteorological Authority has issued an advisory of short periods of heavy rainfall over few areas of Kagera, Geita, Mwanza, Shinyanga, Mara and Simiyu regions. Those residents from these areas are advised to take all necessary precautions. Tonight, dear viewers, it is our expectation that partly cloudy condition, thunder showers over a few areas is expected over the entire Lake Victoria Basin regions, as well as northeastern Highland regions, together with the entire coastal regions of the Indian Ocean, with the exception of Morogoro region. And the remaining part of our country is expected to be mainly dry. Tomorrow, it is our expectation that cloud condition, thunder showers over a few areas and sunny intervals is expected over Arusha, Kilimanjaro and the Manyara region. This weather is also expected to be featured over Tanga, Unguja and Pemba ISOs, Dar es Salaam and the Pwani region including Mafia ISOs. Over Lake Victoria Basin regions together with Kigoma region, I expect to feature particle condition, thunder showers over a few areas and sun periods. Over Morogoro region together with Lindi and Mtwara regions, I expect to feature only rain showers over a few areas and sun period. Over the central part of our country, light rain showers is expected over these areas, as well as over Songwe, Mbeya and Rukwa region, where light rain showers is expected. The remaining part of our country, over Tabora, Katavi, Iringa, Njombe and Ruvuma region, particular condition and sun periods is expected. Now let us have a look at the weather forecast for the next 4 days for some regions in our country. Dar es Salaam is expected to feature thunder showers. Dodoma is expected to feature sun periods. Mbeya as well, sun periods is expected to persist in the next 4 days. Mwanza, thunder showers is expected in the next 4 days. Kilimanjaro region is expected to feature rain in the next 4 days. Morogoro region is expected to feature rain together with thunder showers. Arusha, rain is expected in the next 4 days. From Tanzania Meteorological Authority, until next time, thank you.